Hi, Ali. This is John Everett with Internet Marketing Services. We here help people move up on Google and Bing and the major search engines so they get more phone calls for their business. And the purpose of this video is just to show you why other people outrank you on Google for the same search terms in Ohio. And what I'd like to do is, first of all, show you keywords that your website does not rank for that might be something you might be interested in. For example, these are a list of keywords around immigration attorney. For example, the term immigrant lawyer, there's 74,000 people every month type that into Google. Immigration lawyers, lawyer immigration near me. Now, this may not be a keyword you want to rank for because the competition's so heavy, but there are those down here like Ohio law immigration that you might consider ranking for, because one, it has pretty high volume and your competition would be limited within the state of Ohio. So let's just see if you type that in, what happens. So I'm going to go over to Google and I typed in that same exact keyword, Ohio immigration law, and this is the first page of Google. Now up here, these are AdWords. These are Google AdWords. Every time someone clicks on it, Google gets money. So that's one way to get on the top of the first page, is to spend more money than these guys are. But it's also an expensive way. These leads here, these are what's called organic leads. No matter how many times you click on it, you don't pay. For example, this Robert Brown, it says Ohio immigration attorney. This attorney is not paying. Anybody who clicks on that is not paying. But if they have that little word ad there, they're paying. So here he is on the first page of Ohio immigration law. So how did Robert Brown get up there and you're not up there? Remember, if you go back here under Ohio immigration law, you're not ranking at all on that position. Under Ohio law immigration, you are on ranking 35. That means you're on the fourth page, fifth position, because there's 10 to a page, 10, 20, 30, and then on the fourth page you're the fifth. The thing is, if you're not on the first page of Google, you're not going to get phone calls because people are not going to go that far down. So how do you get on the first page? For example, how did that Brown get on the attorney? Well, I'll show you. If you go right here, this is a tool you can use. It's a Neil Patel. It's a backlink counter. Basically, it's the quality of backlinks. Brown Immigration has a backlink, a domain score of 39. These are a list of his backlinks. Backlinks are where information about you and your website are on another relevant website. They have a score of 39. I typed in Brown Immigration and I got the score. So I also typed in Latif.legal and you have a score of 3, which is very low. It's a score out of 100, which basically means you're not really ranking at all for backlinks. So primarily the reason why Brown Immigration is showing up on the first page and you're showing up on the fifth page is because of your backlink. So how do we help you here? Well, that's our specialty, is to take the keywords you want to rank better for and move you up by improving the number of quality backlinks. This is an attorney in Maryland that we do. They do garnishment, wage garnishment in the state of Maryland. And this is a list of other websites that we put him on. In other words, this is the list of backlinks that we created for Maryland wage garnishment attorney. If you look at all these are mainly attorneys. What we do is we'll put the backlink on another immigration attorney, maybe in California, that doesn't directly create you. Google likes that because you have a high quality backlink on a relevant website. That's how you move up on Google and Yahoo and Bing to get more phone calls. And just to show you, we also specialize and pride ourselves in not only just putting good backlinks on other relevant websites, but we also make sure the quality content is good. Remember, they were a garnishment attorney, and now their backlink will show up right here. There they are, Maryland garnishment rules. This is good quality. Are you aware of Maryland garnishment rules? Not many people are. And in other words, the content that we're putting on the other websites regarding your website is high quality. And of course, we give you a dashboard where you can go back there and check the content. If you don't like it, you can change it. You can tell us. But we do the content for you. We do all the work for you. We create the content. We create the backlinks. So again, why is Robert Brown on the first page of Ohio immigration law and you're not? Is because he has more, better, higher quality links. He has a score of 39, and you have a score of 3. You need better quality, relevant backlinks. The only other way to move up is to pay Google AdWords, which is a more expensive way. That's basically it. If you have any questions or comments, you can let me know, either by responding to my email or give me a call. Thanks, Ollie, and have a great day.